Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry stain-free pool stain remover. Stain-free is an all-natural stain remover. It's like vitamin C for your pool. Stain-free is an ascorbic acid product similar to everyday vitamin C. It is ideal for treating staining to vinyl pool liners and fiberglass pool surfaces. A safe and people-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals typically used to treat stains. The bonus is that stain-free does not create any residual phosphates in your pool water, making it the perfect stain fighter for use with Natural Chemistry's PHOSfree program. Product benefits. Use with Natural Chemistry's metal-free for the ultimate stain-fighting combination. Citric acid product ideal for treating stains to vinyl liner and fiberglass pool surfaces. Recommended dosage is 1 pound per 10,000 gallons. Does not create any residual phosphates in your pool water. Usage directions. If the entire body of water is discolored, put the pool on recirculate, add 1 pound of stain-free per 10,000 gallons to the pool water evenly around the edge. Let the circulation run for 1 hour. After 1 hour, shut the pump off and let sit overnight. Additional information: if chlorine level is low, add small amounts of chlorine. Do not exceed 2 ppm. For salt generator pools, a granular shock is recommended instead of turning the generator to its boost function after the recommended 1 week. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.